Hi guys, myself Dilbag. So today I'm here to give presentations on investment in NZ business sector. So for assignment I selected three companies, but now I'm going to give presentations on one company, that is Bunning Warehouse. So the first part of his introduction. So I think that everyone knows that the Bunnings is a retailer company which sells home improvement and outdoors living products. So it is also one of the largest suppliers companies in NZ. So these firms also provide the widest range of products with lowest price. So for this company, environment factor is competitors and customers. So I think there's many companies here that who sells the same type of products. So, but this is the main factor for one retailer company. So there's a lot of companies who sell the same products. So providing same range of products for the customers. So these all has strong effect on the cost and the innovativeness for the company. So this customers, this company selling the products, home improvement products. So I think the customers needs a high bargaining on that. So because these products also available in the other companies like there's HomePlus and Zoralco. So similar firms in the market, so availability of the same products in another companies also. So I think I already tell in environmental factors the challenge is that's forced to lower its prices and the marginal profit figures. So I think this had to use the high value of raw materials to give best products to the customers and attract the customer towards. So this will so increasing bargaining power of customers, like their customers are always bargaining for the products. Like he said that the other companies give these products on this price and you will give these products on this price. So for that management techniques, so the best technique is environmental intelligence, because it will implement in financial functions. I think it give good financial functions for the company. So it will also be better to inform about the actions and decisions. So it will assist the firm in Bunnings to be quick in making quotations for the raw materials, because environmental intelligence helps Bunnings to making quotations for the raw materials. So it will improve the base of the customers and the market value as well. The company stakeholder is internal. I selected board of directors and external suppliers. So this board of directors has power to take decisions and formulate the strategies and check the further response and the feedback also. So I think this way they managing their stakeholders by give a meeting in twice a month, and they see a feedback who got from the customers and they work on that, and they make decisions on that and make some strategies on that. So for external suppliers, so complete the raw data availability of the firm. I think that's Bunnings would consider adopting strategic planning approach for improving the value. So I think nowadays the Bunnings is also approaching a new strategic planning for attract with their engage with their suppliers, external stakeholders. So managing compliance requirements for Bunnings is like internal compliance, strategic and risk management. So adoptions of a risk management is also the strategics and incorporations of regulations, update of the strategies and activities. So this is the internal compliance which I select for Bunnings Warehouse, and the external is Consumer Guarantee Act 1993. So present guarantee policy. So if this act proves that if there is some problem, like you take the products at home, and these are some effect products, you got it, so you can easily go to the customer service for change that product. So this works that one, that's you can easily change the products, or instead of this you can buy another products also. So, conclusion is, NZ business environment is better for the firm to do the business. I think COVID-19 has some effect on the business, but better public relation can be better for the firm. So, internal and external compliance is better for the firm. So, this is a little bit like, this company have to focus like research and development, customer satisfaction, product development, and good public relations. I think other services. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you very much. You have a lot of recommendations there, but I think they're already read by you. Anyway, so can you go back now to your challenge, please? Can you run that part there, the challenge? In one word, what is the challenge? What's the challenge? What's the challenge in this
The
company?
challenge is, in what word I can say, that's the bargaining of customers, because that's there's a many companies over here whose products who sell the same products, home improvement products, but there's customers goes where there is a low price and best quality.
Okay.
They get best quality in a low price.
Okay, so I go for that. Okay, let's go back now to your recommendation. You said about public relation. How do you relate that? Why did you recommend public relation as your, what is this? In the previous slide, there you go, good public relation. How do you use that as a means in order for you to be able to address the problem of high bargaining of your customers?
Yes, of course.
More specific, more practical answer, please.
Yeah, of course. So that's if we have a good relation with our customers, so I think we can easily.
How do you do it? Practical. How do you do it? How do you show good relation with your customer? That's what I need.
Yeah, good relations, like if that's one of, if suppose you are the customers of our company, like Bunnings. So if you have if you buy some products from the company, but that's you go in some other like same products, who selling the same products, but you got better quality with low price, so you can come to us and easily you can speak to us that if you have any problem on that product, or you got you got a cheap product from another company, so you can easily say to us that in feedback forms, or you can easily tell to us that I got this product from another company in a cheaper price, but you sell in higher price. So I think we listen to your problems and we resolve it as soon as possible. So I think this is the best, listen to the customers carefully and work on that.
Okay, any question from the group? Okay, so thank you very much.
Thank you.